I am talking to you, Netfin. Hello, hello, TikTok. Welcome back. Tap on that screen for me, please. Show your girl some love. I'm going to show you in today's video this beautiful natural glam look. So, thank you. And we're going to get right into it. We already done filled in the eyebrows. I used the Nude Me eyeshadow palette. I used the color dark brown, which in the palette is called Hard. So I'm going to show you guys. No, I haven't been to the beach. No. Unfortunately, I haven't been to the beach since 2012. Alright, we're going to use the Nicka K concealer, and this is called Acorn number 07. I'm going to apply this color right underneath my brows. So I'm just showing you guys. I'm just going underneath. So take your time, be careful. So just trying to get it as the same angle as the opposite side. If you guys haven't already, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love. Welcome to my live. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So I'm doing my eyebrows. So I use this eyeshadow palette. This is called the Nude Me, Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette, and I use a small angle brush, and I use this color dark brown, and I'm just going to go back in like that. And then what I'm going to do next is my second step. I use a sponge, and I'm going to blend out that concealer. So once I do apply my makeup, it looks very neat and that is in place. So that's what I usually do. No pets. I don't have pets. And I'm going to go back in with my angle brush. And then I'm just going to go back in like this. And I'm just going to make sure that my eyebrows are in place and that are angled. So just take your time with that process. And as you guys see, they look very similar. They look like twins. And next, I'm going to use my new makeup eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use a brush, a blending brush. And I'm going to use Top Secret. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to use this color, Top Secret. And I'm going to apply here towards the outer and coming like bringing it back in. This is like a soft reddish brown color. This is one of my favorites. And I'm just going to blend it in. I have a sibling, yes I do. And I'm going to take this nude, it's called Bear. If you guys can see it, it's called Bear. This is the color I'm using. I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm just going to apply. If you guys are just coming in, please double tap for me. Show your girl some love. So we have that. And then you guys know we're going to use the favorite eyeliner, the Felt Pen Tattoo Black is Black by Ruby Kisses. And what I'm going to do is going to use my endpoint of my eyebrow as my guide. I'm just going to fill that in. Just going to go back and forth and fill that in. Make sure there's no gaps. Then I'm going to go back in and use my Nude Me eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use Tease. It's like a glittery eyeshadow. I'm going to apply it over the white eyeshadow. Thank you. And I'm going to apply that as well. And then I'm going to take a little bit of gold. This one's called Please Me. No, it's Slippery. I'm sorry, Slippery. I'm going to use that color and I'm going to apply that towards like the middle and end of my the middle of my eye. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my 3D adhesive lash glue. This is in the color Clear. And we're going to be using a different pair of lashes. This is called Trillant. And this is I Envy newest line. It's the Velux Crystal Glow. And this is number VC01. If you're interested in purchasing, go to ivyusa.com. And they have all the newest lashes that's out. And these are how the lashes look. And I'm going to apply some glue on top of the rim here. And I'm just going to take a little bit. You don't need a lot. We're just going to apply a little. I'm just going to go over the rim a little bit. So you don't need a thick layer, but a nice layer of the glue. And then I'm going to let it dry a little bit. And now I'm going to kind of bend it a little bit so it can fit. And so now I'm going to apply my lash close to my lash line. And then I'm going to press it down using my fingers. And this is it. That is the finished look. And next thing we're going to do now. Thank you. You too. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to use my Kiss Professional Full Cover Warm Coconut. It's number 345, as you guys can see. I'm going to apply that on first. If you guys are just coming onto my live, please double tap for me and share my live. Show your girl some love, please. And I'm going to use, I don't know which one I use. I'm going to use Nicka K Concealer Carto. This is number 06. And I'm going to apply it underneath that concealer. I'm just going to just put a little bit because it's a little bit lighter, so I don't need that much. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. spray. If you guys don't have this spray, this is the best spray. This is the Power Grip setting spray. And then I'm going to spray a little bit on my brush as well because it'll be more easier for me to blend out my concealer. And now I'm going to blend it out. Make sure you get your forehead. And then I'm going to use the 345 Warm Coconut Concealer. I'm going to apply that around the lip area. And I'm going to go around the lip area and blend that concealer out. And then last thing we're going to apply is some blush. We're going to use the Pearl 1 blush. I'm going to place 2 layers. One here, one there. So 2 little dots. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a little bit of this spray on there. And I'm going to blend out that blush. And you guys see how easily. And it's also not too much. Very soft. And then I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. I'm using the warm coconut. And I'm just going to go back in and blend that out. And as you guys can see, this is the finished look. I'm going to go back in with the Tease Me glitter. I'm going to apply. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys did enjoy all of the content, like the products that I use in this content. I use by I Envy. If you guys are very familiar with that brand, please go onto their website, ivyusa.com. They have a lot of makeup. They have hair products, hair colors. This is the eyeshadow palette that I wore in today's content. It's called Make Me Nude, and they have all the different variety of colors. And the lashes I am wearing in today's content is the Velux Crystal Glow Trilliant. That is the name of it. And the number is VC01. And the concealers that I use was the Kiss Professional that I use in today's content as well. And also their blush. So if you guys are interested or want to know, please go to ivyusa.com, and they have this blush called Pearl 1. This is number 03. And the concealers was Warm Coconut. And they also have the Classic Tan. And they also have these in foundations as well. So they're very lightweight and it's not heavy, which I really like. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Follow me on Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste. And then I also have my personal Instagram, sexyriri_93. So you guys can follow me on all 3 platforms just by going into my bio. So click on the links and subscribe to my YouTube. Follow me on my Instagram pages. And if you guys have a request for makeup for me to do, you guys can direct message me, and we can do it. And also collaborations. I am willing and want to do that as well. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next live. Thank you guys so much. And you guys have a blessed Monday. Bye.